The building of the Egyptian pyramids about 4,500 years ago has long baffled the experts. The Great Pyramid of Khufu alone has about 2.3 million blocks of stone that in the lower layers weighed 6.5 to 10 tons each. How could they have been hauled from distant locations and put in place at a rate of at least 400 blocks per day when the wheel and pulley were not yet invented? How could they have been carved with only very primitive tools to such precise dimensions and flat surfaces and leveled so that the joints between millions of blocks vertically and horizontally are not more than 2 millimeters wide? No record has ever been found as to how this was accomplished. Then in the 1970s, a French scientist, Joseph Davidovits, proposed that the stone blocks were cast on site from a mixture concocted by the Egyptians of limestone and other ingredients. In verse 38, chapter 28 of the Quran, the Pharaoh orders his chief functionary, Haman, quote, "So kindle me a fire, O Haman, to bake the mud and build me a high tower so that I may climb it to see the God of Moses," unquote. How could the Prophet Muhammad have known how the pyramids were built? So how can the Quran be of other than divine origin?